Idowu. Thanks for joining me on another edition of Handy Law. As we continue with the series on Nigeria's Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015, we will look at what to do once a suspect has been arrested with or without a warrant. Once arrested, a suspect must be taken to the police station immediately. He must be promptly informed of the allegation against him in a language he understands. He must be given reasonable access to legal advice, allowed to make phone calls to arrange his bail, and also arrange his defense. However, any legal advice or communication must be in the presence of the police officer. The police officer making the arrest or the officer in charge must immediately take record of the following: the alleged offense, the date and circumstances of the arrest, the suspect's full name, occupation and residential address, and for identification purposes, the suspect's height, the photograph, fingerprints and impression, and in some states like Kaduna State, his BVN number, his DNA, his telephone number, and other means of identification that may be necessary. This process of admitting a suspect to custody must be done within a reasonable time, but not exceeding 48 hours. A suspect's statement may be taken in the presence of the following: a legal practitioner, an officer of the Legal Aid Council, an official of a civil society organization, justice of the peace, or any person of his choice, provided that they do not interfere while the suspect is making his statement, except to discharge his role as a legal practitioner in the event that it's a legal practitioner that is in attendance. Where a suspect does not speak, write, or read in English, an interpreter shall record his statement, read it over to him before he appends his signature to it. The interpreter would also sign, providing his address, occupation, and designation. A central criminal records registry shall be established by the Nigerian Police Force. Every state police command shall establish a criminal records registry, which shall keep and transmit such records to the central registry. The state and federal capital territory police commands shall ensure that the decisions of the courts in criminal trials are transmitted to the central registry within 30 days of judgment. We will end today's segment here. Next week, we will look at circumstances where police may arrest with or without a warrant. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe.